If you've been injured in a wreck with a box truck in Louisiana and you believe the driver was at fault, you may be wondering, what do I do next? Even when fault seems obvious, recovering compensation isn't automatic. Here's what you should know to protect your health, preserve evidence, and protect your legal claim. Box truck wrecks can involve delivery vehicles, rental trucks, and multiple insurance companies, which can make determining responsibility more complicated than a typical passenger vehicle wreck. Here are some important steps to take. Number 1, call 911 and seek medical care. First, get to a safe location if you can, and then call 911. Law enforcement can investigate the wreck, interview witnesses, document vehicle damage, and create an official crash report. You should also seek medical attention as soon as possible. Some injuries, including whiplash, may not become noticeable until hours after the wreck, and possibly days. Number 2, document the scene. If your injuries allow to take photos and video, it's good to do that before the evidence disappears. Document the vehicles, roadway, debris, skid marks if there are any, traffic signs, and surrounding area. Also, photograph the box truck's license plate, company name, logo, or identifying numbers. If it's a rental truck, document the rental company's information also. And don't forget to get witness contact information and the driver's insurance information. Number 3, be careful with insurance companies. After the wreck, insurance companies will investigate what happened. Exchange the required information, but avoid speculating about how the wreck occurred or making statements that could be interpreted as accepting responsibility. Even if the box truck driver appears clearly at fault, insurers may investigate whether someone else has contributed to the wreck. Number 4, identify every potentially responsible party. With a box truck wreck, the driver may not be the only party who potentially has responsibility. Depending on the circumstances, responsibility could involve the driver's employer, a rental truck company, a maintenance or repair company, or even the manufacturer if a defective component contributed to the wreck. Identifying every potential responsible party can be important because multiple insurance policies may be available to cover your losses. Number 5, preserve commercial evidence. Some evidence in a commercial vehicle wreck may not be available for long. That could include dash cam footage, GPS data, electronic vehicle information, maintenance records, drive logs, delivery records, and possibly nearby surveillance videos. Acting quickly can help preserve evidence before it's overwritten, replaced, or discarded. Number 6, know how fault affects your claim. Louisiana follows an at-fault system for motor vehicle wrecks, and beginning on January 1st, 2026, Louisiana used a modified comparative fault rule. If you are found 51% or more at fault, you cannot recover compensation. If you're 50% or less at fault, you may still recover damages, but your compensation can be reduced by your percentage of fault. That's why documenting the wreck and preserving evidence can be so important. If you've been injured in a box truck, delivery truck, or rental truck wreck in Louisiana, you don't have to navigate the process alone. The Louisiana personal injury attorneys at Dudley DeBosier Injury Lawyers can investigate the wreck, identify potentially responsible parties, preserve critical evidence, and help you understand your legal options. I'm attorney Colt Fore, and at Dudley DeBosier, we're here for Louisiana, and we are here for you.
Throw your phones up, throw your phones up. There's a number you gotta dial. 444